just feels heavy on your chest. I wish